Welcome back to Crack the Windows, your go-to hub for all things Windows, tricks, and power tweaks. Today, I'll show you 8 hidden tricks in Windows 11 that are super useful, yet most users have no idea they exist. Let's jump right into it. Also, I have mentioned all used command in description below. So just copy, paste and use these. So let's crack the Windows. Slide to Shutdown. Go to your desktop, right-click New Shortcut. In the Location field, type this command. Click Next and name it. Slide to Shutdown, then Finish. Now double-click it anytime to slide your screen down and shut down your PC with a swipe. It's clean, fast, and gives a cool tablet-style feel. God Mode folder. Create a new folder anywhere. Rename it to God Mode command. All these are saved in description. This instantly transforms it into a control panel powerhouse, revealing 200 plus settings in one place. A must-have for power users. Secret Clipboard History. Press Win+V to unlock Clipboard History. Enable it if it prompts. Now, every text or image you copy is stored, letting you reuse previous clips. It saves so much time for creators, coders, and power users. Ultimate Dark Mode everywhere. Windows 11 has dark mode, but here's how to force it system-wide. Go to Settings, Personalization, Colors. Set it to dark. Then go to Edge or Chrome flags and enable Force Dark Mode for web contents. Now even websites are dark, perfect for late-night users. Secret Emoji and Symbol Panel. Hit Win period. You'll get an emoji keyboard with GIFs, Cowmoji, and even symbols. Great for messaging, social media, or even renaming files with icons. Custom power plan for performance. Open command prompt as admin and run this command. Don't forget to subscribe to Crack the Windows for more powerful, lesser-known tips that actually work. Now go to Settings, Power and Battery, Power Mode. Select Ultimate Performance. This throttles your CPU for gaming or video editing. Virtual Desktop Mastery. Press Win plus Ctrl plus D to open a new virtual desktop. Switch using Win plus Ctrl plus left or right. This keeps work, personal tasks, or creative projects separated, helping focus without clutter. Enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling for low latency plus FPS boost. This setting allows your GPU to manage its memory directly, reducing latency and improving frame rates, especially in games or video rendering. Press Win plus I to open settings. Go to System Display, Graphics. Turn on the toggle, Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Restart your PC for changes to take effect. If even one of these tips helped you, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs a smoother Windows experience. And that's it, the top 8 hidden tricks in Windows 11 that you need to try right now in 2025. Thank you for watching.